Good morning. Distributions of a technical data sheet. In the product data sheet are characteristics of the product, recommendation, product overview, and usage restriction. The right side are the technical data of the product. The left side are the characteristics of the product. Contact numbers are at the bottom of the technical sheet. On page number 3 are all the recommendations. It is very important to read. Thank you very much.